After a long spell of time, we are again at the same platform of e-learning. Good morning, dear students. Are you ready to learn science with me? Let's go. Do you remember that I have left you behind with this pic so that your back can reminds you your holidays assignment every day during your holidays, and TT rackets stimulates you to play indoor games. Let's see what I have planned for you. There were 5 assignments in all. I will take them one by one. The purpose behind doing so is evaluation and briefing of holidays homework, as this cannot happen face to face this time because of lockdown. Dear students, have you put your all efforts to do your home assignments? If something is left behind, you can complete it in the coming week. Here I am taking the first one. You were asked to imagine a scenario about that the government is planning to ban the use of plastic bags. For a debate over the same topic, a committee was formed. A meeting of the committee is being called there, and the members of the committee are: one is the government representative, second the head of shopkeeper association, third one is a cloth bag manufacturer, and an environmentalist there. Now you can think about what can be the different views by these 4 different representatives from different areas, so that we can frame their views in dialogues to prepare our skit. I'm just giving you an example. A government representative can say that a survey made by government is showing that this plastic substance is very harmful for earth. That's why government is planning to ban it completely. Second, the head of the shopkeeper association can put forward the views that many of the shopkeepers have already purchased these polythene bags in bulk. If government is stopping the use of these plastic bags immediately, there will be great loss of theirs. A cloth bag manufacturer can put an idea about that if we are having enough production of cloth from the cotton and jute, then why there is need of manufacturing this artificial substance, that is polythene, on the earth. And an environmentalist can put forward his views that these plastic bags on burning are polluting the air, and if we are burying them in the soil, they are polluting the soil. In this way, you can polish your skin of skit writing, dear students. Now I am taking the second one. You were asked to make a model to show the arrangement of particles in 3 states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. And this homework was planned to keep an idea in mind about best out of waste. You can see the leftover stones and beads in a tray. These can be used as particles of substances. You can say solid, liquid and gases. So what you are going to do, you will make 3 rectangle or square, and then start pasting these beads or stones in such a way that they are closely packed in solid. And what about liquids and gases? You know very well. So here I can say you can keep this idea in your mind that you are going to do best out of waste. Now I'm just showing you how you can paste these beads or stone in 3 rectangles or squares in such a way that you can represent your model of arrangement of particles in 3 states of matter. In solids, the particles are tightly packed, so we will not leave any gap between the stones. What about in liquids? They are loosely packed. So we will paste these stones in such a way by leaving the gap between each other. And in gaseous state of matter, the particles are far away from each other, and that's why more gap should be given there. This is how you can prepare your model by using. Now I'm coming to the third one, and you were asked to make a creative and decorative flowchart of vitamins and minerals. These two flowcharts are given in our book, dear students, so you can take the help from there. Along with the fourth and fifth homework was of learning of question answers and keywords. This should be the routine day-to-day work that should be done by you every day, because if we are doing these two things along with, we can be on the top in our class. So I'm hoping that your homework was done by you so well. Get ready with your project work. You will be asked to upload the pics anytime there. So don't worry, dear students. Conclude your work if something is pending there, and get ready for tomorrow's study, as we are going to start new chapter of ours. Have a good day.